In our homes, Christmas starts and ends at the dinner table. And so that's why we're focusing on 10 decorating divas who will be setting their Christmas tables especially for us in our MommyRoomREDO Tablescape Roundup. And with that, let's get started. In this video, we'll be previewing 10 decor divas who'll be setting a Christmas table just for you. We'll feature a variety of colors, styles, and moods. They range from the traditional to the not so traditional. They'll help you believe in the magic of Christmas and the comfort of home. More importantly, these ladies help us tell the world something that we already knew, that Black girl magic reigns at the dinner table too. All right, good people, so be ready to cast your vote on Friday, December 17th. Thanks for tuning in, and please like,